Hello friends, welcome back to Devananda Online Institution of Fundamental Sciences Junior, and today we are looking into our biology class, and today we will be looking into the types of leaves and phyllotaxy. We learned about venation, right? We learned about venation. Venation is the arrangement of veins on the leaf. Okay, just like that, phyllotaxy is the arrangement of leaves on the stem. Okay, the arrangement of leaves on the stem is called phyllotaxy. Okay, and I hope this is a new term to you, phyllotaxy. And phyllotaxy is of three types. Okay, phyllotaxy is mainly of three types. The first one being the alternate leaf arrangement. Okay, the alternate leaf arrangement. Phyllotaxy is also called the leaf arrangements. Okay, so first one is alternate, then we have opposite. Okay, opposite leaf arrangement, and at last we have whorled. Okay, whorled. Alternate, opposite and whorled. So now let us look into each of them in greater detail. First of all, we have the alternate arrangement, and as the name suggests, if this is the stem, the first leaf will be over here, the next leaf will be over here, the next leaf will be over here, and the next leaf will be over here. This topic will be asked as a picture based question. Okay, so just look into the picture. So this is the alternate arrangement. Alternate. Okay, so the specialty is that in the alternate arrangement there will be one leaf per node. Okay, one leaf per node means, you know, right, this is a node and you can just find only one leaf per node. Okay, in alternate arrangement, when there is only one leaf in each node, we call the arrangement as alternate. Okay, so this is the alternate arrangement. And next, let us look into the examples. Examples for the alternate arrangement. First of all, we have the mango tree. Okay, the mango tree shows this type of arrangement. And next we have the sunflower plant. Okay, the sunflower plant. The sunflower plant also showcase this type of an arrangement, and this is the alternate arrangement. And now let us look into the opposite arrangement. Next we have the opposite arrangement, and in the opposite arrangement it is like this. This is the opposite arrangement. Okay, and say how many leaves are there in each node. Clearly you can say that in this node, if you take, you have two leaves. Okay, you have two leaves in each node. Here also we have two leaves, here also we have two leaves. So in the opposite arrangement we have two leaves per node. Okay, so this is the number of leaves per node, two leaves per node. Okay, in the opposite arrangement, two leaves arise in each node opposite to each other. Okay, they cannot come like this. Okay, like this. They cannot come like this. Okay, they should be opposite to each other as well. They cannot be like this. So this is the opposite arrangement and this is not. Okay, so this is the opposite arrangement. And now let us look into the whorled arrangement. Next we have the whorled arrangement. In the whorled arrangement we have the stem, and there will be more than two leaves, means three or more than three leaves per node, somewhat like this. Okay, okay, the leaves will be like this. This is a leaf. Okay, so there are 5 leaves in this node. Okay, now 6. Okay, like this, and it forms a bunch of leaves at each node. Okay, and this bunch is called a whorl. Okay, this bunch of leaves is called a whorl, and this is how the leaves are in the oleander plant. In the oleander plant, the leaves are in a whorled form. And next we have the asparagus. Okay, the asparagus plant. The asparagus plant also showcase this type of an arrangement, and this is the whorled arrangement. In the whorled arrangement, there will be 3 or more than 3 leaves per node, and it forms a spiral shape. So this arrangement is also called the spiral arrangement. Okay, this arrangement is also called the spiral arrangement. The bunch of leaves formed due to the whorled arrangement is called a whorl. And now let us look into the types of leaves. Before looking into the types of leaves, let us look into the examples for the opposite arrangement. I forgot to mention the examples for the opposite arrangement, and take these examples. Guava, okay, the guava plant showcase the opposite arrangement. And next we have the jasmine. Okay, the jasmine plant too showcase this opposite arrangement. Okay, guava and jasmine. These are showing the opposite arrangement. And now let us look into the types of leaves. We learned about the leaf base, right? Okay, so here you can see that this is the stem, and here we have the petiole. Okay, and here comes the leaf. We learned that this portion is called the leaf base. But this portion, okay, this portion is also called the leaf base. And usually when you see questions, the leaf base will be denoting this portion rather than this portion. Okay, so just forget that this portion is called the leaf base, and this portion is really called the leaf base. Okay, I forgot to mention this. This is the portion which is called the leaf base. Okay, now let us look into the types of leaves. First of all, we have the simple leaf. Okay, it is just this normal leaf that we usually draw. Okay, this normal leaf that we usually draw, which is just a single leaf. Okay, this is a leaf. Okay, so here the lamina, you know the lamina, right? The flat, broad green parts of the leaf is not divided. Okay, the lamina in this type of leaf is not divided. The lamina is a completely full piece. Example, we have the peepal leaf. Okay, the peepal leaf and the mango leaf. Okay, so these are examples of simple leaf. And just imagine, we have certain divisions coming up like this. So you may feel like these are divisions, but see, these divisions doesn't reach the midrib. If this division reach the midrib like this, we can call it a compound leaf. Okay, so this is a compound leaf. Okay, so this is a compound leaf. Can you see? Here these divisions reach the midrib. Okay, here these divisions reach the midrib. And if you take the rose plant for example, you can see this. There will be the stalk, there will be the stalk like this, and there will be the side veins. But you will see another leaf over here. Okay, this structure like this. You can see leaves. You can see leaves like this. But understand, this whole thing is a leaf, and this is not a leaf. This is actually a leaflet. Okay, this is a leaflet. Okay, a leaflet. A leaflet is the divided portion of the lamina. It imitates a leaf, and this petiole in a compound leaf is called the rachis. Okay, the rachis. This is the rachis. And examples for compound leaves, we have the neem leaf. Okay, the neem leaf, it is somewhat like this. Okay, somewhat like this. Okay, this whole structure is a leaf. Okay, not this. Okay, so that is about compound leaves. We have the neem leaf as well as the rose leaf. The leaf of the rose plant is also a compound leaf. So today we learned about phyllotaxy and the types of leaves. So that's it. Thank you.